Hello.
Hi.
How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm great, thanks for asking. What's your name?
My name is Alex. What's your name?
I'm Lisa. Nice to meet you, Alex.
Nice to meet you too, Lisa.
Where are you from?
I'm from Belgium.
Oh, that's cool. I've never been there.
It's a beautiful country. Where are you from?
I'm from the United States. I live here in New York.
Me too. I just moved here.
That's great. Do you like New York?
Yes, but it's very busy.
Yes, it is. But it's full of opportunities. Do you speak English well?
Not very well. I'm learning.
You're doing great. Learning a new language takes time.
Thank you. I practice every day.
That's the key. Practice makes perfect.
Do you speak other languages?
Just a little Spanish.
I speak French and Dutch.
Wow, that's amazing. You already speak 3 languages. What do you do for work?
I'm an engineer.
That's a great job.
Thank you. What about you?
I'm a teacher. I teach English to kids. Yes, I love working with children.
That's good. I like my work too.
What's your typical day like?
I wake up at 6 a.m., take a shower, eat breakfast, then go to work.
What time do you start work?
At 8 o'clock.
And what time do you finish?
Around 5 p.m.
Do you work on weekends?
No, only Monday to Friday.
What do you do on the weekend?
I relax, watch movies, sometimes I go for a walk.
Nice. Do you like music?
Yes, I love music. I listen to electronic and jazz.
I love jazz too. Do you play an instrument?
No, but I want to learn the guitar.
That's cool. I play the piano. What do you eat for lunch?
Usually fries and mussels. Sometimes I eat sandwiches.
Sounds delicious. I love European food.
I can cook.
Really? Maybe you can cook for me one day.
Maybe.
Do you have friends here?
Not many. I'm still new.
You'll make more friends soon. People in New York are friendly.
I hope so.
Do you like the weather here?
It's cold.
Yes, winter is coming. You need a warm coat.
I'll buy one soon. In Belgium, it's often rainy.
What do you want to do in the future?
I want to improve my English, and maybe go to school here.
That's a great plan. You're already doing very well.
Thank you. I try my best.
Keep going. You're doing amazing.
Thank you, Lisa. It was nice talking to you.
You're welcome. It was very nice to talk with you too.
See you next time.
Yes, definitely. Take care.
You too. Bye.
Bye.